to make a YouTube image thumbnail. I'll show you how to do it real quick. I'm going to be using CorelDRAW. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to create a new document. I already have the dimension set. This is what you want as your video size. So if you're doing a 1080 video, you would use a 1920 by 1080. If you're doing 4K, just look up the appropriate video settings so you can make the image fit exactly the same as your video size for the image. Alright, we will just we'll call this image thumbnail for YouTube. Alright. And I'd like to zoom out a little bit so I can see my image here. Alright, so first thing you need is you're either going to go to do a screenshot from your video, or you're going to, if you've got an image that you already want to use. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the snipping tool. So if you go to your little Windows search, your snipping tool. If you haven't used it before, this is awesome. This little thing pops up. Anything on the screen, just hit new, and then just draw what you want, highlight it out. When you let go, it goes straight to where you can save it. So I'm going to save that. We'll call that our screen snip. Put it right there on the desktop so it'll be easy to find. Alright, so then we can get rid of that. You can use that also if you play your video and just freeze frame your video on an image that you want. Do your snipping tool, screenshot that clip of the video, and you don't have to worry about the exact scale of it because it's just being that it's just a thumbnail. You won't have to worry too much about the resolution of it. So now that we have that, I'm going to go and import. That was on the desktop. Now you're going to get this little importing tool right here. You know, you can, if you had something that was the right size, when you do this, it's gonna fit exact. See how that's not exactly right? All right, it doesn't really matter where you put it. So just drop that image in here, anywhere on the screen. Go up here to adjust. If it's not selected, it's not gonna work. It's gonna adjust your desktop artboard. You want to change this image size to match. So go up here. Make sure the ratio is unlocked, and we will put in 1920 by 1080, and it's still selected, so we can go to object, and we want to in alignment center of page. Bam. Okay, so now you've pretty much built an image, but we want to put some nice text on it because you want to attract those viewers to watch your video. So we're going to say this is make your own YouTube image thumbnail. Alright. I suggest you pick something that you like, that a style that you like. Pick a bold font. If somebody's scrolling on a phone, this is going to be small, so a small text is going to be hard to see. So pick something kind of bold, and you can just drag that over here. And yeah, that looks okay, but I want to make it pop a little bit, so we're going to make it yellow, and now it doesn't stand out too well against that white background. So you can just jump over to your outline tool, double click that. Let's give about 3 pixels wide. Now you got a little outline on it, makes it stand out. Now in CorelDRAW, if you click the image again, you get your little rotating tools here, and just give it a little look. There we go. So as you can see, this already looks better than not having a thumbnail. Right there. Now I want to throw my logo here. So again, I'll go to File, Open, and it is in my Templates and Logos. Oh, that's right. What was I thinking? File. I'm sorry. Go to Import, and we will go back to that folder. And same little tool. I want it right over here, so I'll do something like this. And if you've got snap turned on or it just doesn't go exactly right, you can use the arrow keys and kind of do a little better adjustment. Now, quick and easy. I'm happy with that. I think if somebody sees that, it gets right to the point, how to make your own YouTube image thumbnail. So hopefully they see that. Hopefully you saw that, made you click on it. If it works for me to get you watch, maybe this will help you get the people to click on your videos, which is the ultimate goal here. Alright, so how to get this out? We'll go to File. We're going to export for web. Want to go check the output size. It's the same, and it's a JPEG, high resolution. Yep, everything looks good. We'll call this one. As you can see, I've already made a few. Forgot my mic wasn't working earlier. We'll put, for now, I'm going to put use this one and save it. So now that's on my desktop. Now let's say you already have a lot of videos on your YouTube channel, like I do. I'm doing this right now, and I don't have these on all my videos, and I should, and so should you. So if you have a lot of them to make, and you want to have something a little more generic that makes this easier, here's an idea. Basically, once you've created this, you save this in the working file, it's a thumbnail. I'm sorry. You can create these thumbnails a lot quicker. So I'm going to, I know if I click over here, I can grab this piece of the image. We'll pull that out of the way. I'm not going to use it this time. I'm going to grab another image like this. It's a massive file, as you can see up here. I'm going to do the same thing. 1920 by 1080, and go back to Object, Align, Center Page, and as you can see, it's on top of everything. That's no problem. Go back to Object, the Order, Back a Page. Now, I think you see where I'm going with this. If you save this now, and this is your primary, if you just want to make a bunch of quick ones and you don't care too much about what the image in the background is, but you want the text, I mean, that's the kicker, to make people click. That and boobs, if you put boobs on there. But this next video, let's see, we're not doing make your own YouTube video. It's catching sharks in Kansas with worms. Yes, I know that's stupid. It makes no sense, but anyway, that's not the point. So you can just file, boom, export, and save that one, and immediately click this, go back in, re-edit your text, and just boom, build one of these for every video that you have in your library right now. If you want to switch up the backgrounds, fine. If you want to do screen grabs, fine. But get these on your videos. I'm going to start doing it, and I hope you do too. Anyway, if you like this, please like it, subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll do the same. Thanks.